Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkhulisokha. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ushinga, uBatman, u-Ethan Cheslet bekunama-speculations, abantu ba-speculate bathi hhayi kuzophela unyaka bangadlalanga la bantu laba noma izovalwa isizini. Kubonakala ngathi-ke kuzoba iqiniso ukuthi ngeke badlale. Ngibheka namhlanje i-date, i-Chiefs izodlala Sunday, i-match yabo yokugcina this season noma sengithi man this year before ibuya nge-20 something January. Njengoba manje bazoflya to eMpumalanga la bazodlala boziprepare-la bazodlala khona ne-TS Galaxy bazorestanyana khona. Ushinga noBatman Ethan Cheslet they are not part of leyo travelling squad angithi, so it means that siyobabona next year abafowethu. Hhayi ziyakhala, ziyakhala. Imagine uhlala isikhathi esingaka ungadlali a single minute, struggling even to make the match day squad. Ngcono kuthiwa uya-travel-a ne-team uya le nale uya ko-Egypt kuma-mini vacation ngoba bayazirelaxela before ama-games, but you're not getting that opportunity. But I understand kunzima kakhulu. But yeah, let me talk about this thing before ngiyikhohlwa. Ku-left back position bafethu, position abazoyilwela kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, Marco versus Cross. Ushinga simbekela le, asimbali nokumbala bafethu, is not even considered laphana esquadini angithi. So mawubheka lama players lawo two, uCross siyazi ukuthi udlala kahle kakhulu in recent games, akadlalanga kule game lena yizolo because of ulimele, and then that gave ulokhunjana ubani uMarco i-opportunity yokuthi adlale and udlale kahle kakhulu uMarco. uMarco waye better than uCross. Better than uCross because of uyakwazi ukuya phambili angithi bafethu, uyakwazi uku-create ama-opportunities for i-team. Mawubheka igame efana ne-Chippa United, Chippa United bengeke i-Kaizer Chiefs iy'nkinga ey'ningi, meaning that they needed to attack ngama-full back o-2. Cabanga uCross akekho, banama-left back awu-3 u-Chiefs. uCross akekho ulimele, but Ushinga is not even making the match day squad. uCross engekho. Ushinga izophela isizini angadlalanga uChiefs bafethu, ngiyanitshela ayikho le nto le. You can't fail to make the match day squad number 2 or umuntu okhompyutha naye ku-position engekho. They preferred ukuba nobani laphana ebhenchini, babe no-McCarthy. No-McCarthy akusiyo i-position yakhe, but they would rather travel no-McCarthy kunokuthi bathathe wena as Ushinga. Didn't make the match day squad, imagine. So that's not good at all. Futhi umuntu abangamcabangi nokumcabanga, abangamthembi nakancane bafuthu, abamboni nokumbona ukuthi hayi lo angakwazi ukusiza i-team. Trouble in paradise. Ingapheli isizini umfowethu angadlalanga ngempela. Yabo le nto le ngisho ngokusakudlala bafethu, kuzoba nzima. I remember Majida ethi maningi ama-game this season, bonke abadlali bazothola ama-opportunities. No. Khona bazodlala 3 games isizini yonke, and i-value yomuntu phela iyaphansi kakhulu bafethu, if like i-team i-Chiefs phela this season izodlala lesi ama-game awu-30 wakubhethwe i-Premiership angithi, and then idlala ama-game awu-6 a-guaranteed laphana ku-continental level, i-CAF kuma-group stages. Already seyibuya kuma-game awu-4, meaning that izodlala ama-game awu-40 mesibala i-league, sibala ne-CAF guaranteed. Sekudlalwe ne-culling plus sekudlalwe ne-culling, kuseza i-Nedbank Cup, meaning kuyodlalwa close to 50 games. Wena udlala ama-game awu-2, kusho ukuthi ayikho ngempela indaba yakho, nanokuthi abakucabangi nokucabanga laphana ethimini. But yeah, ezibuhlungu-ke yilezo bafethu ukuthi Amajida angeke adlale at all. U-coach we-Chiefs uBen Khalil bafethu ukhulume ne-media wathi namanje basadilana nenkinga yokuthi bayawathola ama-opportunities, bayawa-create-a, but-ke i-team ayikwazi ukuwakhora lawo ma-opportunities. If let's say uSilva noVilakazi bakwazile ukuthatha lama-golden opportunities lawa bawatholile, ngabe i-Chiefs iwinele nje with ease, ngabe na-25 points ilingana nesikhukhune. Kuyaliwa laphana, ngabe siyabona ukuthi i-race tight, but i-Chiefs mayingeke ikwazi ukuwina izoloku yehla nje kancane, ihlale ko-number 5, ithi 6, maybe ithi 7, kumele baqale ukupick up ama-points. Ngike ngayisho le nto le, ngikhumbula a couple of weeks back ngathi kumele bakhohlwe i-Orlando Pirates, i-Sundowns, bona kumele bawashaye ama-team amancane, but if you can't beat i-Chippa United kuchaza ukuthi indaba yakho ayikho ngempela. Chippa United, yonke i-team phela iyadlela uma iyodlala ne-Chippa United. only i-Chiefs kuphela ehlulekayo ukushaya i-Chippa United. And ukhulume hhayi mina phela lento le iyadina-ke bafowethu, angeke ukuthi kuwo wonke ama-match conference uthi we are fixing, uyolungisa kuze kube nini? Uyolungisa kuze kube nini? Chiefs phela yaqala ukulungisa under uCoach Nabi, namanje isalungisa iy'nkinga, same problems lezi bebadila nazo kusasekhona uCoach Nabi, namanje kusaselezo nkinga lezo, kuyolungiswa ngempela kuze kube nini? Before ngizoya kuma-comment abantu bathi hhayi i-Chiefs iyamdinga u-coach bafethu, ayikho le nto le, idinga u-coach ozoba serious, o-right, ozoba ne-authority, izinto ezinjalo. Asiye kuma-comment wabantu sibazi ukuthi abantu bafethu bebathini after i-game, cause ya abantu bakhomentile, ngiwabonile ama-comment. Athi sibheke ukuthi soqala ngobani. Soqala ngoSibusiso Sibuda Gang. Uthi ama-sub, shuthi ama-sub angenile laphana second half, uthi hhayi akekho sure ngala-ma-sub lawa angenile. Sibonile i-Chiefs ifake ubani, uMayo, yafaka uShabalala, yafaka u-Igataro, ba-replace-ile laphana impela, bafaka abantu aba-different, but labo bantu laba abayinikanga lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs. uSandile Dlamini laphana uthi uVilakazi ufaka ama-gloves for nothing. Uthi basikhoste i-3 points labantu laba. Abayaziyo ukuzitshela, into abayaziyo, usho ukuthi uchaza ukuthi nje into abayaziyo ukuzitshela for nothing, besidlisa, uthi nje we are disappointed. Yeah, hhayi bona bayatshela bafethu, you would yabona okay, my-personal experience ithi ngingawasho cause it's personal ezinye izinto, but you would think labantu laba ba-ama-champions of some sort, a bit of arrogance ikhona from amajita. Yeah, but late ngisho, I remember uVilakazi eqabula intombi yakhe phambi kwethu, I was like, what is this ngempela, yabo? Cause i-form of respect ibalulekile bafethu. But yeah, yeah, uthi ukhona ukukhuluma uThami Sithole, uthi i-Chiefs beyingabonakali njenge-team efuna ukuwina, uthi bonke nje bebangathi bebangafuni ukudlala namhlanje, uchaza ukuthi izolo-ke bafowethu. Uthi ayi indaba kaMiguel, yani inasho Miguel, uthi inkomo lena, every time uhluleka ukumaka 1-on-1. Yeah, uthi hhayi, uthi uGiven Msimang akanikwe, uthi oGiven Msimang abanikwe ithuba phela nabo bedlale. Yeah, inasho Miguel ayikho into engisazoyisho ngayo ubafo, sengikhulume too much, yabo. Yaphinda laphana uSandile Dlamini uthi inasho Miguel akahambe, uthi ayisikhathele le nkomo. Okay, usaqhubeka laphana uSandile Dlamini uthi le team le useless, uthi sinama-players a-useless, oVilakazi bageja ama-chances aSimpuli, even uMayo akakwazi ukuyi-change-a igame, ayikho le nto ye-Chiefs. To be honest, hhayi ngiyagxilisa bafethu ukuhleka, but ama-comment ayangibulala. I love ama-comment wenu bafethu, keep commenting. Ulona uSibusiso ubani, Mpathenhle Sibusiso uthi siyamdinga lo Phuso Dithejane ukuthi akwazi ukukhompitha noVele, uthi because uModi, ya usho ukuthi uModi indaba yakhe ngempela ayikho, uchaza loko laphana. Ngiyawabona ama-comment wenu, abantu ba-frustrated ama-results we-Chiefs. Yeah, aya-frustrate wona, to be honest. You know, these guys were supposed to just to win the game against i-team efele, Nkosi yami, but-ke bahluleka. I wanna go to amanye ama-comment because of ama-comment maningi lana. And then khona uSivuyile Lama uthi hhayi mfethu, bona bazamile abafana, but mina i-squad ngisithandile ukutshintsha ukwenza abafana bakwazi ukuzimisela. Anyway, igame ibiyinhle namhlanje, problem finishing kaVilakazi. Khosi for life, alipheli umoya, noma uthi alipheli amandla laphana uSivuyile. Yeah, uthi yena uyithandile igame, kusho ukuthi i-Chiefs idlale kahle according to yena, just ukuthi nje ama-chances noma i-finishing. Yeah, uThami Sithole uyakhomenta la uthi manje uya-understand ukuthi why Hugo Broos angababizi abadlali be-Chiefs. Hhayi bafowethu, hhayi uthi hhayi abadlali njengabantu abafuna ukuwina, uthi labo coach they try to ukusibonisa omunye ukuthi udlalisa obani. I think those coaches won't come back after December, nizobona. Actually le angiyifundanga kahle ngiyaxolisa, but I'll just paraphrase ukuthi I think la o-coach kusho ukuthi badlalisa abantu aba-different ababo. Kusho ukuthi uma kubambe uBen Yusuf ufaka lo nalo nomunye ufaka lo. Yeah, omunye nje uyasho ukuthi umlangeni laphana ukuthi hhayi labo coaches abekho good for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, esho kunzima ukukhocha i-Chiefs bafowethu, like i-pressure enkulu ngempela, kumele udilive njalo. Uma ungadilivi uyahamba, kuthiwani ibhantshi ligcwala umoya. Yeah, kusele igame-ke ye-T_S Galaxy bafethu, we'll see ukuthi bazoyi-handle-a kanjani. But hhayi mina angisa-expect-anga lutho ku-Chiefs bafethu, sesizobona nje ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani nanokuthi bazodlala kanjani. Bazokwazi ukuyiwina igame or ngeke bakwazi ukuyiwina igame. Hhayi ukuthi bayayiwina kwenzakalani, thina we'll keep reporting, but hhayi ikhozi alikuniki ithemba uma ulibukele. But ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu, danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi sikhulisa ipage. Ngizobuya nezinye.